Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back again to my channel, guys. Shiviksha Creatives. I hope you are all doing well. Very good morning, all of you, because it's a morning view I am shooting here, and this will be my last vlog in my mom dad's home because tomorrow I am going to leave for Bangalore. So I am going to shoot some of my special moments on the last day in my native, in my mom dad's place. So this is a morning when my mom was preparing a pav bhaji for all of us. So she already prepared a bhaji because I woke up little late. It's a common thing जब हम हमारे पेरेंट्स के होम रहते हैं तो लेट ही उठते हैं. आपका तो पता नहीं, मैं तो बहुत लेट उठती हूँ. सो शी ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयर्ड अ भाजी एंड नाउ पाव भी हो चुका है. दिस इज़ अ फिनिश्ड लुक. आई रियली एन्जॉयड अ लॉट हैविंग इट बिकॉज बहुत ही एमी, बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा था. एक्चुअली माई मॉम वॉज डिसाइडेड टू डू इन द इवनिंग, बट मॉर्निंग मेरा छोटा भाई बहुत ही force kiya. That's why my mom prepared for tiffin. So after that, me and my mom came to the one of the fruit shop in Tumkur nearby to our home. So there my mom saw these mangoes. Really, my mom love for mangoes, so that's why she's buying some mangoes. Then we returned back to home. I did some of my work. Actually मैं कुछ टाइम स्पेंड करती हूँ मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल के लिए, मेरे लिए, by returning some of the ideas, thoughts in my diary. So in the evening, me and my sister, we are going for temple. As वो weekend था and specially Guru Purnima on that day, Saturday. So me and my sister, we went for a Sai Baba temple which is in Sadashiv Nagar. This is one of the favorite place. मैं शादी से पहले Thursdays, every Thursdays I keep on visited for this temple. Such a calm, peaceful for me. मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा था. Special thing because Guru Purnima भी था. We went for the blessings of Sai Baba. It was really amazing day for me. So हम कुछ टाइम वहाँ स्पेंड किए, कुछ टाइम वहाँ पे बैठे, एंड ऑल दीज स्टफ, ऑल दीज डेकोरेशंस बिकॉज ऑफ द स्पेशल ओकेजन गुरु पूर्णिमा. बहुत ही अच्छा था उस दिन वहाँ टेम्पल में. सो दिस इज़ अ इवनिंग 5:30 प्रॉबेबली हम गए थे वहाँ पे. बहुत ही भीड़ रहता है. एवरी ईयर मैं शादी से पहले जाती थी. गुरु पूर्णिमा के दिन भी बहुत ही भीड़ रहता था. बट एज दिस ईयर वॉज लिटिल डिफ़िकल्ट टाइम्स, सो बहुत उतना तो नहीं था. डोंट नो नाइट वहाँ पे आए थे या नहीं, बट इट वॉज रियली अमेजिंग. This is a complete view from the outside of the temple, and this is locating in a Sadashiv Nagar. After that we moved to Mahalakshmi Sweets. This is in a BH road. So because of my brother was pleased many a times because he loved these kaju sweets all the time, and he wanted from the different sweet store, but it was not available in Tumkur. That's the reason we came here in Mahalakshmi Sweets, and I took some of the kaju sweets for my brother and for my sister, and I gave for them. They were very happy seeing that. So this is a next day, Sunday. I returned back to Bangalore morning itself, and I was really sad unhappy face on the day. I slept off, and because of that gloomy, my husband took me outside. We didn't plan anything where to go. We just came outside. Cloudy weather, as you can see the Bangalore weather. We didn't went much far from our area, but we went for one of the chats and snack shop. There we had some chats, and then we returned back to our home. So we went one of the popular food joint, food chat and snack point in our area itself, and we had some charts like dahi puri and floating pani puri, which I ever had. That was the first time. Because of these varieties, special charts, there I get confused what to have all those, but finally hum फ्लोटिंग पानी पूरी एंड दही पूरी विच इज़ अ फेवरेट फॉर शिवदीप, वो हम खाए. एंड और एक इंसिडेंट जो हुआ यहाँ पे, आई स्टार्टेड शूटिंग इमीडिएटली, स्टार्टेड जस्ट लाइक दैट. द स्टोर ओनर ही आस्क्ड my husband why what happened, anything mistake, because of this difficult times, pandemic situation. They felt nervous what happened, all those, but afterwards my husband said that because of her YouTube channel. Although the chats was very tastier in that place. This is the end of this vlog. I hope you liked this. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected with me.